Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to create hyperlinks in Excel. So in Excel when you are creating hyperlinks, you can link to website or existing file, even to a place within the document. So let's see how to do that. So first we'll try to create a hyperlink to a website. I'll just take finance.yahoo.com and so I'll make click here as a hyperlink. To do that, under the insert tab, to see this link, click on the link. Now here, so you can basically link to an existing file or a web page or place in the document, create a new document or create an email address. So in this case, we're linking to a web page. So I click on the web page and here under address, I'll provide the hyperlink, which is finance.yahoo.com. I'll say OK. Now a hyperlink is created. When you click on it, it opens finance.yahoo.com. Similarly, you can create a hyperlink to an existing file. So I'll go to click here and click on link. You can say existing file. Basically from here you can choose where your document is located on your computer. So just provide the address. In this case, I'll say stock item with details. So I click on this, the hyperlink is created. When I click on that, so it opens the existing file which is there on my computer. So now we'll see one more example wherein you click a hyperlink to some place within the document. So this is the Excel file. And you see there are multiple tabs, so I can link to some other tab as well. So to do that, I'll go to click here and click on links and say place in this document. The moment you do that, it shows all the sheets that exist in an Excel file. So I'll just say department, and by default it will place the cursor at A1. I can change it. I say C7. You just say OK. Now I'll click. It takes me to the department tab and the cursor is on C7. So this is how you create hyperlinks. To remove hyperlink, you just go there, say right click, you can remove hyperlink, click on that and the hyperlink is removed. You can also edit the hyperlink, which means you can go there and make changes if you want to link to something else or if you want to change the text. For all the three examples I have written click here, but if you can write something else like open a file or go to a website. And finally you see that you can remove, you can select everything and you can say remove hyperlink, so all the hyperlinks will be removed in Excel. So when you enter a URL, by default it turns that into a hyperlink. If you don't want that hyperlink to be created by default, just go to file options, under proofing, give autocorrect option, click on autocorrect options. So under auto format, as you type, there's this checkbox internet and network paths with hyperlinks. Just disable that. Say OK. So now when you enter a URL and you enter, you see the hyperlink is not created. So this is how you create hyperlinks in Excel and edit or remove it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope that was useful.